My name is Sapna Shrestha, and I'm infant lead teacher here.
I'm the lead toddler teacher.
Hi, my name is Leah Stockdale. I love to work here as a toddler assistant.
My name is Kim Aguilar and my role is lead teacher primary class.
My name is Teresa Lake and I am the lead teacher for primary classroom ages 3 through 6.
Hi, my name is Fifi Juliana and I'm the school administrator here at Inspire Kids Montessori. I've been with the school since it first started in 2010 and I just love coming to work every day because I know I'm making a difference in these kids' lives, and you can see the growth and the progress that they make each and every day.
I love working here because I get to change the lives of children and I get to teach them and be happy and fun with them.
I love working here. The staff here at the school is amazing. Everybody's very friendly, very warm. There's a very warm feeling here, very family oriented.
I love to work here. Me and Miss Carrie as the teacher, we work together as a good team to help run the classroom, make sure all the kids work together and share, and they learn how to work together with the friends.
Most of our parents come by word of mouth through the referral program that we have. Our current parents notice that their kids are doing very well at school, they're happy, they're learning, and they let their friends know where their kids go to school, and that's how we get our families.
What we teach them here in our classroom is self-confidence and language skills and independence, social skills, motor skills.
We do a lot of fun things in this classroom: math and practical life, language, dancing, singing.
When they are little, what they can learn from the older kids, what they are doing, they like to follow them.
Very beneficial for all the kids combined together from the little age to the big age.
Each week we discuss a different topic and we have projects.
Montessori allows them to be independent in the classroom. Everything's auto-educational.
At a public school, they don't get as much free range. It's very teacher-directed where they have to do what they're told. As a Montessori school, they can choose their own works. They're very independent.
We have so many activities here. We do lots of circle time, we do reading books, we do science project like a little bit, like lots of art and craft. They have lots of songs.
The classroom is very clean. Children love being safe and happy here, and parents love that, the happy environment.
Education is very important to everybody. We focus on our students' academic and social skills, so our students are well-rounded. They're polite, they know how to behave properly, but they also learn, and most importantly, they have fun. We have students that don't want to go home early because they love it so much at school.
I would recommend parents or grandparents to bring their children to Inspire Kids Montessori School.
Teachers are great together here and we have a nice facility.
I would strongly recommend parents to bring their children to Inspire Kids Montessori because here their children will be learning a lot academically and socially, and they will be happy, they will be self-independent, and they will develop that lifelong love of learning.
It is such an honor to have the parents' trust with their children's care and be part of their early childhood educations. My staff and I truly appreciate the level of support the parents give. It is so rewarding for us to see the children grow into his and her social and academic skills.